Okay, I'm in the basement. Now I'm gonna open the refrigerator. Ha ha!
Yay! That was fun! Let's do it again!
Gotta close the refrigerator. Don't want all the cold to come out.
Hey! Hey, Apple! Hey, Apple, hey!
I'm not an apple. And the annoying orange.
Hey! Go cut the cheese!
What are you doing here? I got kicked out of my own kitchen. Okay. I'm leaving.
Nice!
Where? Ah! I'm gonna follow you. Yeah. No, don't follow me. Oh, oh, get away from me. Close the door. Whoa. I'm running for my life. Holy crap. I think I lost him. Oh crap. There's no escape from me. Oh crap. Oh no. Oh crap. Oh no. Hey Mac, I was just walking in there. Who is this? Oh, it's the annoying orange.
Yay! That was fun! Let's do it again!
Well, I guess he's moving in now. Okay. I'm making a video, don't bother me. You ruined everything. What the heck, Mr. Cameraman? Shut up. Okay. Okay, stop being wild. I guess you're in the house now, so, make yourself at home.
Hey! Hey, Apple! Hey, Apple, hey!
Oh, crap.